Hello gorgeous, welcome to Hot For Me. Here I share my garden with you, different herbs and how I use them, food I make, easy and simple recipes, and how I'm training my puppy Cupcake. If you find something that is hot for you, use it, share it and enjoy it. Remember to hit the subscribe button. Hello gorgeous and welcome to my channel Hot For Me. My name is Ernestine and I'm simply living, sharing it with you. Everything I do. This is a cup of or mug of lavender tea. Get yourself something to drink and enjoy it with me. Above me is a lovely, beautiful moonflower. I think it's magical to sit here and enjoy a day with you under a moonflower. I'm planting bush beans today. I've never done this before. Winter is starting and I love green beans, and apparently within 60 days you can have some beans ready. I have soaked them in water. I believe that's what one has to do for quicker results and sprouting of the beans, growing. All this preparation. I found some cans and I've made a line to cut them in half and plant more beans. I've already cut one. I don't have an electric saw. I only have a Dremel with such a small little thing, so I'm just using a real hand saw. And it goes quite fast. But once I've done this and completed it, I'm going to share one of my favorite green bean recipes. So if you want to plant your beans, get your stuff ready, let's get going. And if you have a better way, please let me know in the comment box. I've decided not to use a sandpaper but a knife. It goes a lot faster. As you can see, this goes very fast. Anybody can do it. No sanding machine required or sandpaper. Just use an old knife. I use this knife for when I do mosaics and I make concrete pots for my garden. So this is really old and it's actually blunt, but it works well for removing the plastic. Drilling some holes is my next step. This is the thickest drill bit I have, so I'm just making more holes. And if you don't have a drilling machine and you've got a sharp pointed knife like this, use it. It goes fast enough And you don't have to be that strong to make a hole in your pots, and you don't have to have the drill, and so on and so on and so on, and there you go. Here is my favorite green bean recipe with soya and coconut cream. You will need 500 grams of green beans sliced diagonally, 2 big onions finely chopped, 1 cup soya, any flavor will do, 1 green chilli finely chopped, 1 bay leaf, 5 large garlic cloves chopped, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons curry powder, 1 fresh chilli chopped, 250 milliliters of coconut cream or powdered coffee creamer, salt to taste. The soya beans are usually salted, and 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. But don't worry about the ingredients or the instructions. I will list it in the description box below. Heat the oil, add the chopped onions, curry powder and chili, as well as the bay leaf. Let it brown, gently stir it over low heat. When the onion is translucent, add the garlic and all other herbs and fry for a minute. You may add basil if you wish. Even some mint will be lovely with this recipe. Do whatever you feel. Allow your imagination and taste buds to guide you. Add the sliced green beans, 1 cup of water and the soya, and season it with salt to satisfy your taste buds. If you need more water, add it. Continuously stir for approximately 15 minutes. Then simmer it on a low heat until the green beans and soya are thoroughly cooked. Add the coconut cream and cook until it's heated through, and serve hot. This usually takes about 5 minutes. Please let me know how you enjoyed this fabulous green bean recipe and how you served it. If you have a favorite green bean recipe, please share it in the comment box below, helping each other to simply live and have fun every day. Thank you once again for being here. Remember to subscribe. You may slip and you may slide. Let your smile be your inner guide.